Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. And as you can see, now we've got only the battery icon, so in order to show the battery percentage on the status bar, simply open the list of apps and find the settings. Here we have to find the battery option, and it's right here, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, on the second position we've got the percentage of charge. So in order to turn it on, just tap on it. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.